Activity number 2 now is the sensory art. I'm gonna read the letter for you guys and then I'm gonna show you the materials and how to do it. Have you noticed the colors that leaves have? And what about their different sizes? They are big, small, medium, tiny. There are many sizes of leaves. This is a great sensory activity to engage motor development and senses. You will learn and practice the colors and how they change when you mix them together. You simply need to choose more than one color and pour inside the zip bag. Zip it really well, close the bag really well. Ask an adult to help you. And stick the leaf template on the bag. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Use your fingers to mix and paint and watch what happens. So you're gonna use your fingers, okay, to mix the paint inside. So let's see. I have all the activities here. So this is the sensory art activity. Let's open it. So in this one, I cut a leaf shape. I cut a leaf shape, and this is the one you are going to use, okay? So I put this tape behind, so you just have to take it out, okay? This, and you are going to glue it, stick or glue, whatever you want to say, on the zip bag. This is the zip bag, okay? And let me just see, how can I do this? I'm gonna do over here and here. It's better if you do it on a table or on a flat place, and you can do it like this. So here it is. It's not so, okay. Here it is. So now we have the bag, and inside the zip bag, you are going to pour the paint, okay? I suggested that you use, I suggested that you use green and orange paint because these are the most popular colors that leaves have. So you just grab your paint box, okay, and you are going to mix 2 colors to make orange. You know how to make orange. You need to mix yellow and red, okay? Every box has a color mixing chart that I put here. All the boxes, in all the boxes I put inside here a color mixing chart. So if you don't remember how to make orange, just take a look over there, okay? So you need to mix yellow and red. You're going to pour this paint inside, okay? And also green, which is also color that leaves have. So you're gonna pour green inside. You're gonna zip really well, zip it, and put on the table and mix with your fingers. Your hands are not gonna get dirty. This is a mess-free sensory art. It's perfect. Everybody loves it.